Yo, 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 what's up, people? You've landed on the fifth installment of this video series. See this right here? I'm doing a whole video series to show you exactly how I turned this $25 product into over 20 grand. Now, that is what I do. My name's Donovan and I'm an affiliate marketer. And what I do is I go out and find products that are good and promote them. And if I'm successful with them, I come right back here on YouTube and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, you've landed on the fifth one, so if you're new, you've landed here, okay? I suggest you go right back here to the first one, okay? And then just follow along day by day, step by step, okay? Because I give you actionable steps. This isn't a 10-minute video where it's a full course. There's no way you can put a full course in 10 minutes. So, like, for example, and this one's 30 minutes. I show y'all how to set up your funnel, okay? This one, autoresponder, we got that one set up. And at this point forward, y'all are in business. Y'all are ready to make money, okay? What do you need to make money now? You need traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing, okay? We're going to be going over paid traffic today, what I use. Tomorrow we'll be going over another option of paid traffic. And then the next day we're going to be going over free organic traffic, okay? Such as social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you how to do all this, what apps to download. So bear with me, guys. This is going to be fun. Y'all are in the right spot, okay? Now, with that being said, if you want to get started, okay, see where it says read more right here? It should be down below the video. You need to open up the video description. Once you open up the video description, let me go ahead and pause this. You'll see just 25 to start. You can go ahead and click that and get started, okay? Now, how you get started is, once you click that, it'll take you over here, okay? You can watch this sales letter if you want. It's just 30 minutes, okay? And you can go down here and read all this, which you'll be excited. They've already paid $4.5 million in commissions, okay? And for example, I went over this in the first video. Now, or a second video, I'm sorry. Just one sale per week can generate up to 75 grand. 2 sales, 3 sales, $250,000, okay? Per week, okay, if you can get that, which is lucrative, okay? And this is residual income each and every month. This isn't, you sell something once, that's it, now, you know what I mean? This is subscription based, so people pay every month and you get a commission every month. So it stacks up. You get one person 1 month, it goes over, then you get 2, now you're up to 3 people per month. But you get what I'm saying? So that's just a quick overview for the new peeps. But with that being said, you can get started like that, okay? Now, and then all your resources will be down below in the description as well, okay? You can click this checklist right here. I got a Google Doc. And then you just go right here. I got all these email swipes for you guys. This is the checklist you need to do each day to achieve this, okay? And I got one for minimum and one for go-getters, you know. But I got all my resources that y'all are going to need down there. And I'm adding as I go. So it'll make it as seamless as possible for you guys. But let's go ahead and jump into the paid traffic. And for the people that are following along. And we'll get you going on that, okay? So this is the product I use. Like I said, it'll be down in the description. And all you're going to want to do is create a free account. Log in. Once you log in, it'll take you over to this page, okay? You're going to hit that grocery cart looking thing up there, okay? Now, don't be intimidated by these numbers, okay? I know the owner, and he put this 12-month traffic in, and what it does is it's cheaper, but you can just pay monthly, because the reason, like I said, the lifeblood of affiliate marketing is traffic. So I use a combination of free traffic and I use a combination of paid traffic. Paid traffic is on autopilot, okay? You always want traffic flowing in to your business, always, okay? whether it's free or paid. Free, you're going to have to put in the legwork. Paid, you just throw money at it, okay? So, just understand that. And this isn't like a magic button you press and you're going to get buku of sales, okay? But it's consistent flow of traffic. And what I suggest you do is, I would at least get the gold, okay? But get what you can afford, okay? And this is high quality traffic. For example, gold is $145 a month for 100. And then titanium's 300, platinum's 200, okay? So, for example, let's take the titanium package. You get 300 clicks per month, okay? So, I already got these tabs open. Check out this. This is Google AdWords. So if you were wanting to run Google ads or Facebook ads, and let's go to, which I got none of them running now. If you go over here to enter a product, we're in the make money online niche or the biz op niche. Okay, so make money online. This is how much it would cost to run ads through Google. Let's get the results right here. It'll give you, and then you still got to do keyword research. You got to do, I mean, it's crazy, okay? So to be on the top of the page in this, you're at least, let's average these out. You're at least paying $2.50 per, this is per click. As you can see here, you're at least, I'd say the average of this is around $2.50, okay? Per click. Now that, you know, and then you still got to do keyword research. You got to do a whole bunch of shit. Like, but with this, so $300 or 300 clicks per month. Let's do that. 300 clicks per month. Let's just say we're running Google ads. How much would that cost at $2.50? Oh. I messed up right there. 300 times $2.50 a click. That's $750. This costs $400 a month, okay? So, if you got some money to, you know, invest in your business, okay, even if you come in at the gold package, even if you come in, you know, at the gold package, which is 100 clicks, so 100 times $2.50, you already know what that is. Look, I mean, you're saving $100 or you could use elsewhere. So that's why I love this. And the factor is they go out and they do the advertising and research for you. They specialize in traffic. So you won't have to do your own keyword research or anything like that. Okay? All you have to do is put your URL in here, guys. So I got my Visa or whatever in there. You just put your URL. So what you're going to want to do is log into your HBA. I'm not logged into my funnel builder. Log into your funnel builder. And oops. I'm on the wrong funnel right here. Log into your funnel builder or whatever. And of course, you got the $25 business up, okay? You've got, I don't want to confuse you guys. I'm working on changing my URL, so don't pay no attention to that. You've got this up, so, and you should have your website. It shouldn't look like mine right now, okay? I'm doing some work on mine. It should look like you've got your URL domain set up. You copy that, okay? And then you come back over here and paste it in. For example, mine's this course is free, but what am I clicking over here? So you just copy it in there. So it'd be like this. Of course, you'd copy and paste. So it would look like this. and that's it. They just flood traffic to whatever URL you put here, and we're putting it, directing it toward our landing page. So when they come to our landing page and they opt in, it sends them straight on over to your autoresponder, your GetResponse account. Get what I'm saying? And then your autoresponder will do the legwork and send your emails out for you. Okay? You see how powerful that is? Or else you'd have to do like keyword research and stuff. I like autopilot. That's how I like. So you can do whatever you want. If you can't afford it, that's fine. We're going to be going over another option tomorrow, and then the next day. I'm busy tomorrow. I'll try to get a video in because, like I said, I'm trying to make this as quick as possible for you guys, because you got your business set up, right? Now we need traffic. So with that being said, that is how it works, guys. And I love this because you got the 12-month option, okay? Right here, I'd at least get gold, and all you have to do is put in your opt-in page, your URL, in your funnel builder, okay? And all you have to do is come in here and just sign your name and order the package, okay? Because I used to get the big packages, and I learned this. I'd get the big packages, and then I wouldn't know when they ran out. Okay, because you only get a certain amount of clicks with the big packages. Okay, you get that amount, and then once it's done, and I wouldn't know when it ended, so it would just, that's when my clicks was, you see your clicks go down, you're like, what? But with the monthly traffic, I mean, you don't have to, it's set it and forget it, and you got your stuff set up. That's how I look at it, and that's why I love that option. That didn't come later until, we talked to the owners and stuff, which was pretty cool of them. But like I said, just sign there and just submit it, okay? And with that being said, tomorrow we'll get started. So you can start making money now once you start getting clicks. Now, like I said, this isn't a magic button, but if you do have the money, I would suggest you get into it. At least at the gold package, so you can get clicks coming in and start generating revenue for yourself. That's how I look at it, guys. And like I said, tomorrow we'll be going over another paid option, which this one you'll have to send out emails, but it isn't set it and forget it. This one is. The other one is you got to do emails, but we use AI to generate those emails. It only takes me like 10 minutes, 15 minutes in the morning, okay? This is all about consistency, guys. Everything is about consistency. So you want leads always flowing in your funnel, okay? When the traffic stops, so does that income, okay? You won't grow without traffic. That's just facts. And with that being said, like I said, I got a Facebook group. If you have any questions whatsoever, I'm here to help you. Anything you need, I'm here to help. And I want to see you guys succeed. Like, I remember when I first started, I had no clue. No clue. And it's crazy. So with that being said, guys, if you got the money, go ahead and get your traffic flowing. I want to see you get sales. And tomorrow we'll be going over the other traffic source, okay? And then after that, we're going to be going over free organic traffic, okay? So we'll be going over Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, okay? I'll show you all how to create all your social media accounts and stuff, and it'll go straight to your landing page, okay? Which is, as you know, that. So, and that's free organic traffic. That's where you're going to have to work. And that is especially where consistency comes in. Because I remember I took like a 2-3 month break, and I could see the clicks just decrease, okay? But when you first get started, I mean, you will see clicks shoot up. I mean, the power of the internet is just absolutely phenomenal. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because tomorrow I'm dropping that video, the next day and the next day. We're going to get you set up, rocking and rolling, okay? So right now, at this point forward, your business is eligible to start collecting commissions and making money, generating revenue. Okay, guys? So bless you guys. I'll see you in the next one.